What's up, YouTube? Today is the day. I'm going to go pick up my second project build. This project build is going to be a 1968 El Camino. It's not in very good shape. It's not in very good shape. It's rust. It got rust. It's not running. But it's all a project. You gotta learn how to do certain stuff. That's what I'm getting from learn how to do paint job, body work, interior. So I'm gonna show y'all the car when I get there. Well, it's gonna be a project. Just give a little basic little run around real quick. Like all the body work, little rust, a lot of rust. Gotta get this whole body, all the body work, rust holes, all this in here good. I gotta change that little panel. The hood, yeah, got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna start taking a lot of this stuff apart as soon as I get the car. The little interior, see what the interior looking like. I gotta fix this in the hole in the floor. This interior. Redo the seats, dash, windshield, headliner. I'm gonna clean it up later. All loaded up, strapped down, ready to go.
Alright, let me know if you need
anything. Yeah, everything strapped down, ready to go. finally got the car inside the storage unit that I'm using as my little shop. It's a 10 by 20. But I got space on this side, space in the back. It's just this one, this part is a little tight, but I can still do what I gotta do from this angle. All this space already. So that should be good. Try to get it running within the next couple of days. Yeah, by part 2, it should be, well, this will be clips of me trying to get it running. But this is what it is right now. I don't know if you can see, but I gotta redo the seats, carpet, the dash, good, just the top part. Seats, carpet, another door panel, headliner, windshield. That should be it for this, for the interior. And the outside, mainly body work. Most of the vehicle gonna be body work. And then under the hood, check the oil, do everything. See if it's gonna start, turn over. Yeah, all that right there. That's it for part 1 of this 1968 El Camino rebuild. This is only the first of many parts. Subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think, what I should do, what color I should paint it. Any tips, tricks, help me get the job done faster. Well, like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.